Okay, we're doing another problem. We're doing number 22 from the second packet. And this problem asks that you find the line between the two given points here. Let me zoom in on these points for you. Between those 2 points. And we're supposed to find that in slope-intercept form. Now, I know we're supposed to find it in slope-intercept form, but I told you back when we first did linear equations that anytime you were find an equation of a line, the best thing to use is the point slope form. So let's write that down so that we have it. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, now what does all this mean? M is our slope, okay, and the y1, x1 are the coordinates of one of these 2 points. It doesn't matter which one we choose, we're just going to choose one. Okay, so let's find our linear equation. Well, the first thing we need to find is m, which is our slope. So for that, we're going to need the slope equation. So we need a little more room. So we'll put this down here. M is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. This is the slope equation. That's what we need right there. Okay, so we're going to plug in our values for y1. We'll make this y1 and x1, y2 and x2, and we're just going to plug it in down here. Okay, so y1 is equal to negative 3 minus y2 is 1 divided by x1, which is negative 10, minus x2, which is negative 1. Okay. So what happens here? Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4 divided by 5. Alright. So negative 10 minus a negative 1. That's the same thing as negative 10 plus 1. Correct? So that simplifies into negative 4 over negative 9. Negative divided by negative is always a positive number. So that's 4 over 9. Okay, so we know m is equal to 4 over 9. So we can go back up to our linear equation here. Alright, and start plugging stuff in. Y minus y1 equals m, which we decided was 4 over 9, times x minus x1. Okay, now we're just going to plug in, pick one of the points. I'm going to choose the 1s because I'd rather use that than some 10s, right? So we're going to use these. We're going to plug these guys in. So my y1 is 1, so that's going to go in there. Now it doesn't matter which point we choose, it's just a matter of convenience. What looks easier to you, you choose what you like. Alright, the 4/9 stays, times x minus x1 was negative 1, so that would be minus a negative 1, which is the same thing as plus 1. Okay, but that's not what it asked for. We have a linear equation now, and we would technically be done if that's all it asked for, but it wants it in slope-intercept form. Now, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so y is by itself. So basically, we're just going to solve this for y. We start by distributing the 4 over 9. 4/9 is x plus 4 over 9. Okay, and the y minus 1 stays over here. We need to get y by itself, so we're going to add 1 to both sides. Okay, so that's y equals 4/9 x plus 4 over 9 plus 1. Right? In order to combine these, we need a common denominator. So 1 and a common denominator of 9 is equal to 9 over 9. Combine like terms. 9 over 9 plus 4 over 9 is equal to 9. Double check your answer sheet and look for this particular answer. You should find that the answer is D. Hope this helped.